How to Tilde, unboxing and choosing the right earbuds. This is Robert. This is everything in Robert's Tilde Air package. The Tilde Air, the colored loops to adjust the cables, the USB charging cable, your container, your silicone earbuds and your foam earbuds, which come in small, medium and large. These are Robert's ear canals. When he finds the perfect match for his ears, the noise cancelling will work at its best. Like this, Robert grabs the earbud and slips it on the end piece of the earphone. Like this, Robert slips the earbud in his ear, making a twist to lock it. When the earbud points down and feels good, Robert knows he is ready to experience perfect noise.